Hi, welcome to my channel RDG Vicky, and this channel is all about unboxing, giving reviews, giving you information about various things. Today, the video is about this. In this box, we have a gaming table. I'm gonna unbox this, set it up, and give you reviews about this gaming table. So let's just unbox this and then I'll see you in a bit. So let's just talk about the overall look and feel, usability, and the installation in detail. You're talking about the installation. It took me an hour to install this table, but if you can find a help, you can install it like in 30 minutes. So installation instructions were pretty easy and pretty straightforward, and you can install it by yourself. So let's talk about the stability and durability and the overall look and feel and the usability of this table. If I talk about the stability, this desk is pretty sturdy. The legs are made of iron and the top is made of carbon fiber, which is pretty smooth. If I talk about the length and width and this overall space of the table, it's good for one laptop and a keyboard and mouse. You can even place a 24 to 27 inch monitor on top of this table. But if you are looking for like a multiple screen or a big setup, then this is not for you. This is only useful for a gaming purpose, or one screen or a one monitor should go fine. If we talk about the material, so all the legs are made of metal, which is pretty strong and sturdy. The desktop is made up of carbon fiber, which is pretty good. If I talk about the accessories, it's comes up with the mouse pad, which is pretty smooth and useful. Then it comes with the gaming stand with the 4 USB ports, which you can charge your multiple devices. Also comes up with a headphone hanger, which is pretty useful. And there is a cup holder as well. So all the accessories which comes with this table is pretty useful. If I talk about the price, this comes for 60 bucks. And then in 60 bucks, this is a pretty nice gaming table. That's all for today's video. To watch more videos like this, please do subscribe my channel. Please hit the like button if you like the video. Until then, goodbye, take care, see you, God bless you all.